GI Agrotechnologies Private Limited, a world leader in cashew processing machinery and turnkey project provider, has established a state-of-the-art cashew processing unit at Brahmadesam, south of Chennai, Tamil Nadu, India. The plant is to showcase world-class technologies and process engineering. It aims to facilitate R&D in cashew processing technology towards continuous improvement. This ultra-modern plant targets to process up to 60 metric ton per day with a green building initiative with centralized air conditioning system for high care area, peeling, grading and packing of cashew kernel. Plant showcases a maximum automation encompassing HACCP BRC standards and incorporating latest global food safety initiatives from raw material to final product packing. The plant uses 100% rainwater used water recycle for processing and utility. Cashew nut shell cake is used as boiler fuel, a renewable biomass, green STP and ETP for water reuse enhances the Green Building Initiative. Gayatri is a proud follower and implementer of Make in India initiative